Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. First off, I would like to give a big thank you to Born Pretty for sponsoring today's video. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to go ahead and collab with them. They sent me their jelly gel polish collection. I will be sure to leave the links in the description box below for you to purchase from their Amazon store. I've never had jelly gel polishes before, so I was so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you again, Born Pretty, for these gels. After opening the package, I see it comes with these information booklet. This gives clear instructions and pictures on how to properly prep your nails for application, as well as how to apply the regular gel polish and magnetic gel polish. Plus, it shows you how to safely remove the gel polish as well. And there's some tips and tricks on the back for you to go ahead and read if you've never used gel polish before. This collection comes with 6 different jelly colors. I can't wait to use these to go with my Beauty and the Beast nails and paint the stained glass. Ooh, so exciting. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you, and I'll come back in a bit. I do want to pop in and say that when I opened these bottles, the colors were absolutely beautiful. They reminded me of Jolly Ranchers. The colors are numbered on the top instead of names and look absolutely stunning. I will do one coat on the swatch stick and then a second coat off camera so you can see the full opacity of the colors. As you can see, this collection comes with a blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and a pink. They were a very nice consistency when I was applying them and leveled out very well. They didn't have an odor at all, which was always a plus. To get started with the design, I am using my 2XL Stiletto full cover nail tips from Amazon. I did go ahead and apply my primer and base coat them off camera, and I decided to leave the pink color out for this design just because I loved the other colors more. I will apply the second coat off camera but cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. Here's how the nails look after that second coat. Ugh, I'm so in love with these jellies. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these rainbow rhinestones that I got from Hobby Lobby and use my Model 1's rhinestone glue to adhere them. I did decide later on to add some white and colored pearls as accents with the rhinestones, so I'll go ahead and let you enjoy the placement and I'll come back in a bit. I do want to quickly mention that my camera was not recording for the yellow and orange nails. I'm so sorry, but I pretty much did alternate swirls for each nail and cured with for 60 seconds after each nail, and then after that, for the yellow nail, I decided to add these metal butterflies. I think that just topped off the whole nail set. I absolutely love these butterflies. This is how the nails are looking so far. Now I'm going to take my new shiny top coat from Nail Reserve LA. You can use my code and link down below to save you some money on their website as well. So I will be using one of my detail brushes to help spread the top coat around the rhinestones and on top of the pearls. Then after I finish all the nails, I'll make sure to cure for 60 seconds in my UV lamp. I did file the tips of the nails off camera, and here's how they turned out. Oh my goodness, I love these jelly gel polishes. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. I highly recommend you use my link down below and purchase these for yourself. They are absolutely beautiful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Don't forget to like this video for the algorithm, please, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!